Day 2, and they finished the blown-in insulation. Cleaned up pretty good. I have that weird setting on this camera so I can see more of the picture than, ouch, normal. Poor cabinet. It was even worse than that when I left. But it's okay. It's just gonna last a little bit longer. Nice. The bathroom, this was full of insulation they shaved off. Oh my goodness. Electrician calls this the fart fan. I vented it out into the water heater building behind the house. And here's the fun part. What's up, honey girl? Behind the toilet. I'm going to have to learn how to shave insulation. Oh well. That can't be that hard to learn compared to all the other stuff we've learned. I've learned. Sneaking. Oh, jeez. Construction zone, watch out. I think my air conditioning system should be quite happy now. Wow. Kind of amazing.